Most people believe that car maintenance is complicated and expensive, but the truth is, a few simple tricks can keep your car running smoothly for years. Mechanics often won't tell you these secrets because they make money when your car breaks down. But today, I'm revealing 4 powerful maintenance hacks that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Whether you're a seasoned car owner or a beginner, these tips will help extend your vehicle's life, improve performance, and prevent costly breakdowns. Make sure to watch till the end, because the last hack is a game changer. Car engines work hard every day, and over time they experience wear and tear. The first hack involves engine oil, the lifeblood of your vehicle. Changing your oil regularly is essential, but what if I told you there's a way to make your oil last longer and protect your engine even better? Here's the trick. Add a high-quality oil stabilizer to your engine oil during each change. This small addition reduces engine friction, keeps internal parts well lubricated, and even helps prevent sludge buildup. Mechanics won't tell you this because they want you to come back for expensive engine repairs, but with this simple step, you can extend your engine's lifespan and keep it running smoothly for years. Next, let's talk about one of the most overlooked parts of a car, the battery. Most people only think about their car battery when it suddenly dies, leaving them stranded. But did you know you can extend your battery life by simply preventing corrosion? Here's how. Apply a small amount of petroleum jelly to the battery terminals. This trick keeps corrosion away, ensuring a better electrical connection and reducing the risk of sudden battery failure. A well-maintained battery can last years longer, saving you from an unexpected replacement and expensive towing costs. It's a small effort that leads to big savings in the long run. Now, let's move on to your car's transmission, one of the most expensive components to replace. A lot of drivers unknowingly damage their transmission with bad driving habits. One of the biggest mistakes people make is shifting from reverse to drive while the car is still moving. This puts unnecessary stress on the transmission, causing premature wear and even major transmission failure over time. Always make sure your car comes to a complete stop before shifting gears. This small habit can save you thousands in repair bills and keep your transmission running smoothly for years. Mechanics won't warn you about this, but now you know better. Finally, let's talk about tires. Many people don't realize how important tire pressure is for car performance, fuel efficiency, and even safety. Driving with underinflated tires wears them out faster and increases fuel consumption. But here's a simple, yet powerful hack. Inflate your tires slightly above the recommended PSI, but stay within the manufacturer's safe range. This reduces rolling resistance, improves gas mileage, and helps your tires last longer. Just don't overdo it, as too much air can make your ride uncomfortable and reduce traction. Regularly checking your tire pressure and making this small adjustment can make a huge difference in how your car handles and how much you spend on fuel. By following these 4 simple maintenance hacks, you'll not only save money but also avoid unnecessary trips to the mechanic. These tips will keep your car in top shape, improve its performance, and extend its lifespan. If you found these tricks helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more car maintenance secrets. What's your favorite car hack? Let us know in the comments below.